If you want the most flavorful, juicy chicken, steak, any meat ever, then watch this video and learn how to make the perfect marinade to go along with any meat from chicken, steak to seafood. All you'll need is the following ingredients: parsley, cilantro, garlic, bell peppers, onions, oregano, rosemary, shallots, and olive oil. All you have to do is blend everything together and you'll have the perfect marinade to go on any chicken, steak, or any meat of your choice. Just pour it in a jar and save it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, and you'll have your marinade ready to use whenever